The stairs in the home have white panels and the walls are painted in 2 different colours, magnolia and matte blood orange. There is a large window in the staircase that provides a view of the outside. This area serves as the hallway for the upper 3 bedrooms and the toilet doors. Currently, the space appears empty and lacks decoration. To add some colour and life to the area, I purchased indoor plants from B&Q. However, the plants still need pots, which were chosen randomly without considering colour combinations, leading to some regret. Nevertheless, since this is not a designer house, it is acceptable. One of the plants, the devil ivy, is meant for hanging, but the decision was made not to hang it and instead remove the hanger part. The other plant name is leopard lily. An other plants in the hallway included a devil ivy in a long plant, shaped to fill the corner, and a beautiful calligraphy frame received as a gift from Pakistan will be placed on the wall to add more colours and beauty. The addition of this plant and frame has indeed given a beautiful look to this corner, enhancing the ambience and overall aesthetic appeal. A contemporary console table was purchased from Dunelm to enhance the space, but it still requires a mirror for an attractive look. Mirror also bought from Dunelm. The console table also needs some decor, so a jar was bought from homeri.com. To fill the vase, bunny tails and dried flowers were purchased, but their length was insufficient. As a solution, expanded polystyrene foam was broken into small pieces to add volume. Additionally, some grass with long stems was plucked from my garden to further enhance the look. A golden clock from IKEA and a mini sculpture from Temu were placed in the hallway, which improved its appearance. Although a lampshade would enhance the overall beauty, it is currently not within the budget. These small changes have significantly transformed the look of the staircase and hallway. Oopsie, this is when we moved in this house.